Hello, this is Claudia from Toronto. I've been getting a lot of questions about the price in Canadian for the kit. So let me tell you a little bit how it works. And also people have been asking me, do they have to buy the whole kit? You don't have to buy the whole kit. The kit is sold in a set because we call it the Reset system. And I'll tell you why. It's a 3-part system: cleanse, detox, and replenish. Because the cleansing part, we call it the colon cleanse, which we do with the fiber and the digestive enzymes. And the second part, we call it the detox part, which is the liver cleanse, with this product called Super Detox. And the third part, which is the replenish part, we do with probiotics, transfer factor, and aloe vera. So it can actually be bought in those steps. I tell people, if you don't want to buy the whole kit, start with this, which is your fiber and your digestive enzymes for 10 days. So this should be your first purchase. How much does it cost in Canadian? $55 for this one, $48 for this one. That's price if you do not have an account. If you have an account, you will get some discount. But right now, if you're getting it from your friend or the person that offers you to do the cleanse, you will be getting a 10-day fiber cleanse for $55 Canadian and the digestive enzymes $48. The next step, on day 11, you should be getting the Super Detox, which is your liver cleanse, and that one is also $55. So I would recommend, just because it's 10 days, day 11, you should start this one to get the 3, at least on the first part. But even if you just get the fiber cleanse, you're doing your colon cleanse. Why I love when they put everything together was because you had the opportunity to replenish what had come out, so put that balance back into, put that flora, that gut flora back into balance, and that's where you come in with these 3 products. You actually get 2 boxes of probiotics. They come in 15, and you should do it for a whole month. So these are designed to be taken in 15 days. So we can explain a little more how it goes step by step, but this is a video just to tell you the cost of the initial products.